Cash flow is an important concept in finance that refers to the amount of money that is coming in and going out of a business or individual's accounts. It is used to determine the financial health of a business and to make important decisions about investments and expenditures. Cash flow can be calculated by taking the difference between a company's cash inflows and outflows. Cash inflows include money from sales, investments, and loans, while cash outflows include money spent on expenses, investments, and debt repayment. The result is known as net cash flow. There are two types of cash flow: operating cash flow and free cash flow. Operating cash flow is the cash generated from a company's normal business operations, while free cash flow is the cash that is available after all the expenses, investments, and debt repayment has been made. It's important to note that a positive cash flow means that a business has more cash coming in than going out, while a negative cash flow means that a business is spending more money than it is taking in. Cash flow can also be represented in a statement called cash flow statement, which shows the inflow and outflow of cash over a certain period of time. It is important to analyze the cash flow statement to understand the trends and patterns of cash flow and to make informed decisions. In addition, cash flow can also be forecasted, which is an estimation of future cash flow. This is important for businesses to plan for future expenses and investments. It's important to keep in mind that even if a company is profitable, it can still have cash flow problems if it does not have enough cash on hand to meet its financial obligations. This is why it is important for businesses to regularly monitor their cash flow and make adjustments as necessary. In summary, cash flow is a crucial aspect of any financial decision-making process, as it helps in understanding the inflow and outflow of cash and in forecasting future cash flow. It also helps in determining the financial health of a business and in making smart decisions about investments and expenditures. Thanks for watching another episode of Finance in 2 Minutes, where we make finance less boring than watching paint dry. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the club of financially savvy people who also have a sense of humor. Because let's be real, if you don't invest in your financial education, you'll end up like a guy who invested all his savings in a company that makes toasters for unicorns. See you in our next video.